Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the afternoon trading session. This is the last session of the week and of the month. Today is 30th May. We'll be starting fresh from next week. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible. Please write yes in the chat. Devin sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Anuj, you are audible. I can hear you. I can see you.
Thank
Everything.
you for the confirmation, Devin sir and Deepak ji. Thank you. Devin sir, you can take a minute to settle down and then we are good to go. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anuj Sharma. I am the community manager at Motilal Oswal. You see me and my team hosting these daily sessions every day. Since it's the last session, we'll give you a quick overview of the week and quick recap of what's going to happen in the next week. We'll start with the important sectors, move towards the BTSTs, any stock options or option trade or strategy trade if possible. Devinsa is here with us who will be sharing the same. And then we'll take up some live stock queries. If you have any, you can drop it right away. We'll take it up on first come, first serve basis. And if you're gonna spam, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप spam करेंगे तो हम आपकी query को पहले लेंगे. That's not the case. Just drop your query. कर रहे हैं. We'll try our best to our capability to answer all the queries. So, Devin sir, you are clearly visible. You are clearly audible. We can see your screen and we are good to go.
Okay, great. So good afternoon, Anuj. Good afternoon. Session will cover Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also we'll take some queries. We'll try to give some suggestions, definitely some interests if possible. Though the market is range bound, but still, if we find any, we will definitely
Devin
share
sir, your voice is
that
cracking. We can't
particular.
hear you clearly.
Your mute. Can you just repeat?
Devin sir, we
Hello.
can't hear you clearly.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's
Is
better.
it clear? Okay, great. We'll continue again. We'll start with Nifty, Bank Nifty. We'll try to take some queries. We'll try to give some BTST calls as well. Definitely, if there are any particular option trade, we'll try to cover that as well. Though the market is range bound, but we'll try to take some queries and take some stocks as well, as there is stock specific move going into the market. Right, so we'll start with Nifty. I hope my screen is visible. Nifty is currently trading at 24,780 levels. It is completely trading sideways. I think uh, yesterday was the monthly expiry for Nifty, and yesterday's high was around 24,892, and yesterday's low was around 24,675. Today we have seen that Nifty has traded in the range of yesterday's, we can say, yesterday's level. So yes, so we're talking about Nifty. Yes, Nifty is currently trading in the range of yesterday's high and low, and currently trading very sideways. We have seen a broader range that is around 25,100 on the lower side, on the higher side, and 24,500 on the lower side. But now the immediate support is around 24,600, which is close to its 20-day exponential moving average. So I think overall structure is positive, but it is a sideways move, though it is month end as well as weekend, and there will be holiday for next 2 days, so there can be some some tariff related news coming out from US or something like that. So I think the positions are light into the next month. Yes, definitely rollover has happened well. For Nifty, it is 79% rollover, and we have seen a good long build up into Nifty, whereas Bank Nifty has witnessed a short covering into the rollovers, and today we have seen that Bank Nifty is comparatively stronger. I've just shared the chart of Bank Nifty as well, and I think Bank Nifty is much stronger. It is up by around 200 points right now, and it is trying to give a good breakout. I think currently it is trading near a resistance of 55,800 levels. But yes, on the higher side, if it crosses 55,800, 55,900, then I think the Bank Nifty and other banking stocks are ready to give a further up move. So overall, Bank Nifty is more positive compared to Nifty. So one should look at buying good quality banking stocks. I think today we have seen a good rally into PSU banking stocks as well. So I think yes, even PSU banking stocks are moving well. HDFC Bank is also doing well. I'll just share the charts of HDFC Bank as well. So yes, HDFC Bank currently in a range, but yes, respecting the support levels around 20 day exponential moving average, trying to hold above that. And today we have seen that there is some buying visible into this particular counter. So I think once it crosses 1950, 1955 levels, we can see again a further up around 2000 levels in HDFC Bank as well. So yes, overall for Bank Nifty and for HDFC Bank, the structure is positive, and we can see a good up move. One more stock is on my radar, that is SBI, one of the PSU bank, as we discussed about the PSU bank, and we have seen a good move into the PSU banks today. So yes, PSU banks are in favor, and SBI is also doing well. We have seen a breakout above 810 levels. It is trying to sustain and hold above that. I think in the coming days and the coming week, we can see SBI moving towards 830 levels as well. So yes, those who are holding PSU banks can definitely hold. We have seen a good breakout in PSU banking stocks. So that is about Nifty, Bank Nifty, some of the stocks which we discussed. Other than that, there are some exchange related stocks. Definitely BSE. We should never forget this particular counter. The way BSE is trading. So I think BSE 2650 के आसपास चल रहा है. It is up by around 7.5%. Yesterday we have seen a good move in CDSL 2 days prior. Even MCX, even this counter is trading well today. Again, we have seen a kind of a profit booking from higher levels, but definitely the structure is positive and the support levels are intact and shifting higher. So 6400 is the support for this particular counter. One can hold this counter. So I hope I have covered some of the sectors which are in favor, and the stocks as well. Some of the stocks which are looking good and which can give a good move in the coming days. So this is about Nifty, Bank Nifty. I am tracking some of the stocks. There is one stock on my radar for BTST. Anuj, can I share the BTST right now?
Yeah, sure.
Great. So the stock name is Hudco. This counter has given a good breakout on the higher side. One can buy this particular counter at this particular levels for BTST. The overall structure is positive. We have seen that there is a consolidation from last 2-3 days, and today it has given a breakout above that. So one can buy near 243, 244 levels. One can keep a stop loss of 236 on the lower side, and the target for this particular counter will be around 260 levels. So I think yes, structure is positive, and Hodco can be the BTST counter for today. Anuj, I
So,
hope I am clear with the BTST trade.
yes, sir, it's clear.
Great. There are other stocks as well on my radar, but we can take some queries till then. And if I find any particular trade or anything related to BTST or option trade, I'll definitely recommend.
Sir, I'm just confirming. Can you just repeat the BTC trade once? I just want to confirm the
Yeah.
numbers.
So it is Hudco buy around current market price, which is around 243, 244 levels. So one can buy at this level. 236 will be the stop loss, and 260 will be the target. Those who are holding can hold, and one can buy this particular counter for BTST as well. Overall structure is positive.
Got it. So I guess we can take some stock queries.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, KRN on DTF.
KRN.
Yeah.
Is it KRN Hilt Exchange? Is this particular counter?
It's just written KRN, that's it. So,
Okay, so I think this should be the counter. So it is trading at around 770 levels. I think the structure is weak for this particular counter. On the lower side, I think support is around 740 and then directly towards 680 levels. So I think supports are far away from this particular levels, but the structure is weak on the higher side. we have seen that there is a rejection, and I think until and unless it do not cross 800 levels, till then one should not enter a fresh trade in this particular counter. In fact, one should look to exit on bounce, and above 800 we can see a decent up. But till then, I think the shock should be avoided.
CDSL 1492 buy.
As we have discussed, exchange counters are really trading well. BSC, we have seen the charts. MCX, CDSL, definitely it is trading well. One should definitely hold. Anush, can you repeat the buying price?
1492.
1492, definitely. I think the buying price is good, and it has one has purchased at the breakout itself. So definitely one should hold this particular counter. One should keep a trailing stop loss of 1500 above their cost. So there will be no loss in this particular trade. But yes, one should trail their stop loss and can hold the position for the next target of around 1590 1600 levels. One should book profits if it comes near 1600 levels, if it is purchased for short to medium term, or else one can definitely hold with trailing stop loss.
Sir, your short-term view on Hudco?
Yes, as I've said that Hudco is positive, we have shared BTST for Hudco, so the view is positive. 260 is the target, and 236 is the stop loss for Hudco BTST.
Paras Defense?
Okay, again, defense counters has also performed well. Okay, Paris Defense, we have seen some kind of a profit booking from higher levels, but it is right now consolidating, trying to hold the support levels. I think 1550 should be the trailing stop loss. Those who are holding this particular counter. If it closes below that, then we can see some kind of a more profit booking into this particular counter towards 1350. So I think 1550 should be the stop loss for this particular counter.
So your view on Grasim?
I think overall structure is weak. I think we have seen that the stock is continuously forming high top, higher, lower top, lower bottom formation. It is coming down. We have seen profit booking from high levels, but it is currently trading at the strong support of 200 exponential moving average. So I think if it breaks 2540 levels, then we can see some correction in this particular counter, but till then one can hold with a strict stop loss of 2540 levels. Once it bounce backs, and if it regains and sustains above 2660 levels, then only we can see some kind of a move towards 2750. Else one should avoid this particular counter, and the structure is weak, and we have seen a huge profit booking from higher levels.
So what about PSU banks tomorrow? Profit booking can expect?
I think overall PSU banks has given a good breakout. We have seen SBI's chart. It is forming good candle, and I think we have seen a breakout in this particular counter. Even the other banks like Indian Bank, we have seen a good breakout. It is facing resistance around its all-time high levels of 630, but I think the structure is positive for Indian Bank as well. So I don't think we can witness some profit booking in the. I think in the next 1 or 2 weeks there will be the RBI policy coming out, and PSU banks are already witnessing fresh buying today. So I think we can expect some further up move in PSU banks. So those who are holding should keep their stop losses, keep trailing, and should hold for the coming week as well. I think there can be further fresh buying seen into PSU banks in the coming week.
Sir, Trent bought at 5418.
Trent, I think yesterday Trent has given a good breakout, 5418, right?
Yeah.
Great. So I think it has purchased on the lower levels, 54180. Yes, definitely at the support levels, one has purchased this particular counter should definitely hold. The structure is very positive. I think yesterday we have seen a good breakout about 200 exponential moving average in this particular counter. So I think a trailing stop loss should be around 5550. One should not make any loss in this particular counter as it is purchased on the lower levels. 5550, if it closes below that, then there can be some again a retest of that particular level, so one should exit if it is purchased for short to medium term. 5550 should be the stop loss. I think this stock can further continue its up move towards 6200 levels. So if it comes up near 6200 levels, one should book profits, and definitely in each up move one should try to trail their stop losses, so that will be beneficial for the holder of this particular stock.
So Paytm View 870 hold or exit.
70, I think Paytm is showing a good strength. Paytm में एक अच्छा मूव आ सकता है. 870 पे लिया हुआ है, 887 चल रहा है, होल्ड करना चाहिए. आई थिंक एक रेंज में था उस टाइम पे बाय किया हुआ है 870 के आसपास. द बाइंग प्राइस इज गुड. आई थिंक टुडे वी हैव सीन अ ब्रेकआउट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर काउंटर. ये स्टॉक में 910 के लेवल्स तो आने चाहिए. तो ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर इज गुड. एक स्टॉप लॉस रखना चाहिए आई थिंक 855 का. 855 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के होल्ड करे. आई थिंक 913 14 के लेवल्स आ सकते हैं, वहां पे थोड़ा सा सोचे प्रॉफिट बुक करने का. एंड स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेल करते रहिए. आई थिंक द स्ट्रक्चर इज पॉजिटिव. डेफिनेटली वन शुड होल्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर काउंटर.
So view on VBL 1000 quantity at 600.
At 600, okay. I think the buying price is very high. uh it is around 600. Okay. Now overall structure is big. We have seen that the stock continuously faces resistance and keeps moving downwards. I think the immediate support for this particular counter is around 470. If it breaks that particular level, I think we can witness some more correction towards 440 levels as well. So structure is weak. It is trading below all the important exponential moving average. So I think one should avoid this. 600 is the buying price, but I think one should keep a stop loss of 470 if it is purchased for short to medium term. I think the bullish view can be made only above 525 levels. Once it cross above 525, then only we can see some further up move towards 570 levels only. 570 will act as a strong resistance. We have seen that multiple times it has tested that particular resistance and has shown a profit booking and correction. So I think 570 on the higher side, only above 525 if it sustains above that. On the lower side, 470 immediate support. If it breaks that, I think the next support will come around 440 levels.
Sir, your view on Airtel?
Airtel, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think overall structure is good. We have seen kind of a bounce back from lower levels, trying to hold these support levels. 1800 is the strong support for this particular counter. 1860 is the current market price. I think the overall structure is good. Once it crosses 1870 levels, we can see some further up move towards 1900, 1910 levels as well. 1910 levels we can witness in this particular counter. Definitely, one should hold this counter. 1800 should be the stop loss. Anuj, before going to the next query, I have one more BTST, that is Home First. It's Home First Finance. We have seen that there is a good breakout in this particular counter after consolidation, and I think the stock has successfully surpassed 2040 levels. So I think one should buy this particular counter as BTST. currently trading at 1283. One can buy this particular counter at this levels. 1248 can be the stop loss. 1248 can be the stop loss, and target can be around 1340. So I think overall structure is good, and one should buy Home First Finance for BTST, as we have discussed. The banking stocks and again NBFC stocks are doing well. So Home First Finance is one more BTST.
Got it, sir. Sir, AB Capital bought at 221.19.
AB Capital, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Again, as we have discussed, overall NBFC counters are looking well, and again, AB Capital is also trading well around 222 levels. One should definitely hold. 217 can be the trailing stop loss. If it closes below that, then only one should try to exit from this particular counter. Till then, and the stock and the structure is positive. I think the stock can further move towards 227, 228 levels immediately, and if it surpasses that particular level, next resistance will be around 244. So yes, trailing stop loss should be used, and one should ride this particular rally in this particular counter.
Sir, EIL target in short term.
EIL.
Yeah.
Anuj, I am unable to find this particular counter. It
Sir,
can be
Aarti Pharma.
EIH. Okay, Aarti Pharma will take that. 910 is the current market price of Aarti Pharma. I think trading well. It is trading at all-time high levels. Definitely, one should hold this particular counter. We have seen that the counter is continuously forming higher top, higher bottom formation. The trailing stop loss can be 870 levels, and one should hold. This counter can further continue towards 950 levels as well. The structure is positive. 850 can be the stop loss.
So Bandhan Bank bought at 168.
168. I think that is fine. It is trading very near to the buying price, but I think the structure is good. The stock is trying to hold its supports, and supports we can see that supports are now shifting higher. But there is a resistance around 173 levels. Once it surpasses 173, then only we can see some further up move towards 178 and 185 levels. So one should hold. What can be the stop loss? Stop loss should be around 164 levels. If it closes below 164, one should try to exit. But overall structure is good. Once it surpasses 173, it can move towards 178, 185 levels in the coming days. Structure is positive. Definitely one can hold.
Sir, Marico 727 buying. View for more than 1 month.
Okay, Marico. What is the buying price, Anuj?
727.
Okay, 727. Okay, slightly purchased at the higher levels. But as one has asked that the view is for more than 1 month or around 1 month. So I think 700 should be the strict stop loss. If it closes below that, we can see some correction in this particular counter. So 700 should be the stop loss for Marico. Once it crosses 740, I think one should hold after 740 and should keep trailing their stop loss. That can be the good breakout in this particular counter, and once it surpasses 740, it can move towards 760 and above levels as well. So as of now, 700 should be the strict stop loss.
So
Anuj,
SpiceJet bought at 55.
sure. Before going to that, I think I just want to recommend those who are waiting for option trade or any option strategy. I think Bank Nifty is trading well. We have seen some short covering move in Bank Nifty in the last month and last expiry. and the price change was very low. The sideways move we have seen for the whole month, and I think the bank nifty is now getting ready for the breakout. There are some long positions one can initiate, and I think overall structure is positive. Those who are looking for bank nifty, or those who are looking for option trade, I think one should create a strategy in bank nifty. One can create a pull call spread in this particular counter. Definitely one should look at the risk reward ratio as it is monthly expiry. But as far as bullish view and any option trade is concerned, I think bank nifty is more favorable, looking good compared to nifty. Hence, one should one can create a bull call spread into bank nifty, as it is monthly expiry. There is a huge time, and there are less chances of any theta decay in this particular trade. So I think one can create bull call spread for bank nifty. Anuj, now we can go for the next query.
And so this will be the last query for the day. Chambal Fertilizers.
Okay. We have seen a profit booking in this particular counter from last many days, and it is continuously forming lower top, lower bottom formation. But it has reached at its major support of 545 or 57 levels, which is near to its 200 exponential moving average. So I think those who are holding 545 can be the stop loss. If it closes below that, I think the structure will be then converted into some negative, and it can further correct towards 500 levels as well. So 545 should be the strict stop loss for Chambal Fertilizers, and overall structure is big.
So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you everyone for
Anuj,
joining.
before ending the session, I have one more BTST.
Sure, sir.
I have, yes. So it is Union Bank of India. As we have already discussed, PSU banks are looking well. This is one of the counter on my radar. So one can buy Union Bank of India near 147 levels. Stop loss can be around 143. 143 can be the stop loss for this particular counter, and the target for the same is around 155. So overall structure is positive. We have discussed about all the PSU banks. Union Bank is definitely looking well. It has given a good breakout, and it is trying to hold the levels, and I think this move can continue towards 155 levels. So PSU banks are looking good, and Union Bank can be traded as PTST.
Got it, sir. So guys, that will be all. Thank you, Deven sir. Thank you everyone. See you again next week. And guys, please note next week we have only 2 afternoon sessions. That is the Nifty expiry and the Sensex expiry. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.